Since the invention of the automobile, humanity has always dreamed of soaring above traffic, skipping the gridlock, and traveling freely through the skies. But as we look toward the year 2035, could this dream finally become a reality? Let's explore the bold predictions and transformative possibilities of flying cars, a technology poised to reshape the way we move, live, and experience our world. Flying cars are more than just automobiles with wings. They represent a fusion of advanced aviation and electric self-driving vehicles, engineered to revolutionize urban transport. Imagine a morning where you're no longer stuck in a sea of brake lights on the highway. Instead, you rise above the congestion, flying straight from your home to your office in a matter of minutes. This is the vision driving major companies and engineers. A leap beyond conventional roads, toward a future where the sky itself becomes our new highway. The blueprint for flying cars in 2035 is ambitious and exciting. Experts predict 3 key trends will define this era of aerial mobility. First, commercial flying taxi services will become a staple in major cities. Companies like Uber, Hyundai, and Joby Aviation are already investing in fleets of vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, aiming to offer on-demand air travel to commuters. These flying taxis will be called from your smartphone, just like a rideshare today. But instead of weaving through traffic, you'll be gliding over it. Second, the infrastructure supporting this new mode of transport will transform city skylines. Dedicated skyports will emerge atop buildings, replacing traditional parking lots with launch pads for flying vehicles. These hubs will serve as gateways between ground and air, seamlessly integrating with public transit systems and pedestrian pathways. They'll become bustling centers of activity, where people board their flying taxis for short hops across the city or longer journeys to neighboring towns. Third, the sheer number of flying vehicles in the sky will require an intelligent system to keep everything flowing smoothly. Artificial intelligence will play a pivotal role in coordinating aerial traffic, monitoring thousands of vehicles in real time, and preventing collisions. This AI-driven network will function like an invisible air traffic controller, ensuring safety and efficiency as people travel above the cityscape. However, the path to this future is not without significant challenges. Safety remains a top priority. Engineers must guarantee that flying cars are as reliable as airplanes, with fail-safe systems to protect passengers and those on the ground. Advanced sensors, backup power supplies, and emergency landing protocols will be essential to earn public trust. Noise and environmental impact also pose concerns. Electric propulsion promises quieter flights and reduced emissions, but manufacturers must continue to innovate to minimize disruption in densely populated areas. Cities will need to balance the benefits of faster travel with the need for peace and clean air. And then there's the question of cost. Will flying cars be a luxury reserved for the wealthy? Or will economies of scale and technological advances make them as widely accessible as today's automobiles? The hope is that, over time, prices will fall, and flying cars will become a mainstream form of transport, offering freedom and convenience to everyone. Picture your daily life in 2035. You start your morning by opening an app and requesting a flying taxi. It lands gracefully outside your home, and within 10 minutes, you're at your workplace. No traffic jams, no pollution, just a smooth, effortless journey above the city. The skyline is dotted with green spaces and modern architecture, a testament to technological progress and environmental stewardship. Flying cars stand on the verge of becoming a defining innovation of the 21st century, challenging everything we know about transportation. The question remains, are you ready to step into a flying car and trust it to carry you across the sky? As we approach this new frontier, the possibilities are as limitless as the horizon itself.